We'll now explore the main features presented in the three-tier pricing table on Hostinger's homepage. The site distinguishes itself by allowing direct access to pricing options right from the homepage, setting it apart from many competitors. This direct approach, coupled with clear descriptions of the savings offered by the current promotion, is particularly user-friendly. Understanding the pricing line is crucial for knowing the monthly cost upon account renewal. As you browse through the pricing tables, you can view all the features included in each plan.
After selecting a suitable plan, you can add it to your cart to review the different prices. Keep in mind, the total cost varies based on the duration of your hosting plan. Opting for a 4-year plan offers the most savings, though it requires a higher initial payment. A 12 or 24-month plan is often ideal, especially since it includes a free domain name for the first year. This gives you the opportunity to test Hostinger's website builder or WordPress hosting services before committing to a long-term plan.
Upon selection, you can proceed to create your account and check out, where the applied discounts will be calculated. For instance, a 12-month plan will cost $71 with the price increasing to $201 upon renewal. However, you have the option to enter a new contract at that point, based on available deals. Hostinger also offers a variety of payment options, including debit and credit cards, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, and CoinGate. After entering your payment details, you can complete your transaction.